Hi guys, welcome to the React series. In this tutorial, we will see a controlled input. So I have taken a fresh app component. In that, I'm going to create an input field. So for that, I'm gonna create a form. So in this form, I have a label called name. I have a input field. I have a property called name. Text is text and value. Default value is user. Once I save this, you can see, you refresh and see. So the label is name, and I have a input field. The default value is user. So I my if I type something, for example, if I type something here, there is I'm not getting any updated value here, right? So for that, I have a listener, that is on change listener. In this, I have to create a one function name called handle name. I'm going to create a function. So const, the function name is handle name equal to, so event, whatever the type, whatever we are changing, that will come in the, like as a event. So it's the arrow function here. So I'm logging the event dot target. So if you save this, you can see here, for example, if I type something, the all the input properties are coming, but I want the value property here. For that, I have to give event dot target dot value. So if I save this, now you can type in the input field. So I get only the value of the input field. So now, now the value is default. I don't want the default value. Whatever I'm typing, that has to update, right? For that, I need a use state hook. For that, I'm creating a constant and restructuring the value name, set name equal to use state of, I'm giving an empty value here. So whatever I'm typing, that has to update, right? For that, I'm give a set name. In that, event dot target dot value has to give here. So now I save this. Use state is not defined, right? So I have to import, right? So once I import, I save this. You can see, uh, now I type here only the user name is printing, default value of the user is printing. So its set name is setting, updating, but we are not assigning the value here. So for that, I'm gonna give curly brackets name. So now the set name value is updated to this name, right? For I'm just saving this. You could see the output here now. So I'm just refreshing the page. Now you can see the empty field, not its default value is not coming, right? Now I'm typing something sant. So every value is updated and typing here. So so the name is printing. So our task is, once I submit the button, so the value of the username has to display. For that, I need a button. So in this, create a button. So in this, submit. So I'm created the button. So it's in the same line, right? I don't want in the same line. So just I'm breaking this. So once I break this, the button will be displayed here. So after submitting the form, the value of the username has to submit, right? For that, I'm creating a on submit handler. It is on submit. So clicking this, we have to create a function handle submit. You can give any name here. So I'm going to create a function for the handle submit. Const handle submit. Handle submit. So I'm just console log here. So I'm just logging this. So I'm just printing the default value. User name is print dot. So just I'm saving this. You're gonna see the output now. So I'm just submit this form. The page is getting refreshed, right? So I don't want the page has to refresh. So for that, I want to pass the event here. We have to give event dot prevent default. So if I save this, now you can see the changes. So now I'm typing something React. So once I submit this, the username is printed. Once I submit the form, the username is printed. So I don't want username is default value has to print. I want whatever the name I'm create submit. I want that particular username, right? For that, I need another use state from use state. uh, I'm going to create another constants after submit. I want, so after name. So I'm creating a set name. So in this set a name, this is not the correct syntax. Set a name. So in this, I'm creating a, so now the value, updated value is holding, the current value is holding, the name has the current value, right? So for that, I'm giving name here. So now I'm just, so the name has to set it to set after name. So the set after name have the value, updated value right now. So I have to print the after name. So for that, I have to create a paragraph tag here. So curly bracket. So tilde symbol I'm giving after submit the form. So I'm just giving it after name. If I save this, you will get an error, right? See, so that is the tilde. We have to give a dollar here. So then only the value will get printed. So for example, I'm giving React. Once I submit the form, the React will be printed. So, so the name is holding the whatever we are typing. That value is holding here. That name is set to here. Set after submitting the form, the value will be printed here. So thank you all of you